If you want Microsoft Word for free, there's a simple and completely legitimate way to use it without paying for the desktop app. In this video, I'll show you how to access the web-based version of Word using a free Microsoft account, so you can start creating and editing documents right away. This is perfect if you only need basic writing, schoolwork, notes, or quick document editing, and it saves you from downloading software or paying for a subscription. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to office.com. This is Microsoft's official website for accessing Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other online tools. Once the page loads, look for the Sign-in option and log in using a free Microsoft account. If you already have an Outlook, Hotmail, or Microsoft account, you can use that. If not, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Office homepage where you can see the available apps. From here, click on Word to open the online version. This is the browser-based version of Microsoft Word, and it lets you write, edit, format text, and save your work without installing anything on your computer. Once Word opens, you can start a new blank document or choose from available templates. The interface will look familiar if you've used Word before, with tools for fonts, headings, alignment, bullets, and more. As you type, your document is saved automatically to OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. That means your work is backed up online, and you can access it from any device as long as you sign in with your Microsoft account. One of the biggest benefits of using Word online is that it's free and easy to access from almost any computer with an internet connection. You don't need to install the full desktop program, and you don't need to enter payment details just to start writing. That makes it a great option for students, casual users, and anyone who only needs the basic features of Word. Now, it's also important to understand the limitations. The free web version does require an internet connection, so you won't be able to work offline the same way you could with the paid desktop app. And while it covers most everyday writing tasks, it doesn't include every advanced feature found in the full Microsoft 365 version. Still, for most simple documents, it works really well and can be everything you need. So if you need Microsoft Word for free, the best method is to use the official online version at office.com with a free Microsoft account. It's safe, it's legal, and it's convenient. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.